So on share mode graph, I think there is no need for this state. No, we don't have it. On set mode, take component. I think that I'll move a couple of things here. So save photo on share, I'll just cancel. If it's shared, I'll just cancel. If it's dismissed, I'll not do anything. So this one, my mood graph from Uzual.App. Uzual.App makes me feel better. So I'll take const image URI it's equal to this get props. So it's image URI. Okay, and I need a share. So share is coming from React Native. Okay, and I need those things here. So on set mode, take snapshot. I need those below. Component. Okay, not even here. Cancel sharing. So I think that here, and this is on share, on say, oops, on save mode graph, on save mode graph, on save oops, on save mode graph. This one is going to be on share mode graph, share it. So if I'm going to press the share, it's going to share it, right? So I could also save the image, right? If I'm going not here, the photos. This is how it's looking. Pretty decent, I would say. But if I'm going now to expo and just cancel it, but I can also do, oh, this is actually nice, because instead of no BG I'll do placeholder. It's going to leave it as it is. So if I'm sharing it, oh, the button should have margin, right? So no margin right. What I was doing, no margin right. Margin right. This doesn't have any margin, right? So button, I'll go to body. So button it's equal margin top spacing, margin right props, otherwise so I'll just cancel it, and if I'm going to settings, switch it to dark mode, share it. Looking awful. Yeah, because I don't actually want to have those things like it should not be tiny, right? So no margin, no margin. I'll just do no BG and no BG. And this one should be primary. Actually, if I'm doing this one in the middle, and instead of no BG, I'll do loading BG. Yes, so share it. Nope, cancel it, and then dark. Cancel habits, create habit. So this one, what I have changed here. So git diff. So button styled button is center actually. Right. I'm going now to here. This is centered. Share. So it's going to be safe. So again, share. Okay. We are going to animate it somehow, but don't worry about that. But what I wanted to do is here share. Bum, 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 bum. I'll do wrapper maybe. And this one is right. Okay. I'm gonna leave the okay. So I'll just import icon. Okay, icon. I'm using icons, right? So of header. This one was actually really good, right? Okay, so I will import the same. So this is touchable opacity. So in share, let's see. Oh, but this one is actually different. So it's like this. Take snapshot. Cannot find platform. Of course. But what if I'm going to xdocs? I stream for 3 hours. How long? Oh, it's okay. Vector icons. This one. It's like share it. Now this is iOS share. Like iOS share and share. Okay. This props theme and this props theme. And platform is from this guy. Oh, it's already. Yes. So share it yourself. Size. This is going to be large. And the color is going to be. It's okay. Yes. So share it. Save the photo. If I'm going now to photos. Wait guys, I haven't saved anything with dark theme. So dark theme, share it. Oh, this is like a placeholder. More settings, dark theme, switch it, save it. So if I'm going now, okay. So this is actually okay. So this is good. So I'll just add it here. So what is okay? Add package JSON in yarlock. Install React Native view shot. Actually, no. Yes. margin top, restyle components is like this, yes. Add forward ref for this is actually not needed anymore. No. Yes. No. Hide tab bar based on navigation props. No. Yes. Implement snapshot share save image for mode graph. To the diff, and I think that if I'm stashing, everything should work because we don't need to ref forward the so everything is working. I think that I don't actually like the yes. Okay. So if I'm going to QuickTime and no new screen recording, can I just select this guy? Of course not. Okay. That's recording. If I'm pressing save, I'm going to either share it, I'm saving the image, or save it, or cancel it. Save it. I'm going here. Those are the results. Oh, I also noticed this bug, you see. It's okay. So okay, and also let me remind you later. So move to GIF. Actually, I need to save it, right? Save it on the desktop, maybe desktop. So it's like save share mode graph. If I'm going to convert it, actually I will use this one. Desktop, so this one, upload. It's uploading. Yeah, I will do it somehow, so don't worry about it. Yeah guys, so this was actually a long session, but we actually managed to save, share, and cancel. Yeah, feel free to subscribe, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to support me in a way or another, feel free to buy me a coffee. I'll be more than happy to receive a couple from you guys. Also, check out my Patreon. It's patreon.com/catalinmiron. The same for buy me a coffee/catalinmiron. And yeah, I'm looking for the next session, and I hope that is going to be a small one, a smaller, not a small one. What I would like to implement is delete habit, and this will be like part 14 habit reminder and part 15 mood reminder. So it's like push notification stuff. And then we are going to implement a couple of other stuff like supporters. If you donate, I don't know, coffee, you'll appear on the screen. So in the settings, I'll create a special zone here, which will say whoever helped me out during this development. I already designed the whole settings and about screen, what it is, who built it, version, packages used, and so on. And also I will refactor the DJS, because now it's like it's singleton, which is not good. I mean, it's good, but we are not refreshing the DJS instance. And the header, I think that we need this. And also the backend side. On the backend side, I think that adding users to Namecheap after registration, it's a good feature. So we are going to keep track of them. Of course, it should be GDPR compliant. So whenever you will there will be a delete account in the settings. So whenever you are deleting the account, we are going to actually delete everything, like from Mailchimp, Mailmunch, database, everything. So just a heads up for the GDPR. Okay, and like this one should be here, and yeah, and then I think that I don't know if I will have an icon or so, but we will start building it. And I'm not exactly sure about in-app purchases for now. Maybe it's going to be for free in the first place. Why not? I mean, yeah. So see you in the next video, and yeah, stay fail. Yeah, cool. Have a great weekend, guys. See ya.